What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal K, and today I'm going to show you how to make these bomb ass red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. Now, red velvet is probably one of my favorite cakes to eat right next to strawberry, and it's super easy to make. So let's get right into this recipe. This is my little setup slash mise en place, watching a YouTube video while making a YouTube video. You know the vibes. But so we're just gonna cream our butter and sugar together, and make sure you use a paddle attachment to cream this together. Then once that's all creamed up, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go ahead and add in our eggs. We're gonna cream this for like another minute and then go ahead and scrape down the sides and then cream it for another minute. I was trying to use a plant-based food dye, but this didn't work out too well. I used like the whole bottle and it still came out pink. So I had to go run to Target and get the regular dye. So we're just going to go ahead and add our food coloring to our buttermilk and just mix that together. All the measurements will be listed down below in the description box. I'm trying to work on a blog / website so you guys have easier access to my recipes. So just give me a hot second. But now we're just going to go ahead and add in our cocoa powder and our baking soda and our salt and just whisk that together. So now we're going to go ahead and add in a little bit of the dry ingredients and then mix that together. Then add in a little bit of the wet ingredients, mix that together, and just keep doing that until you finish. Make sure you scrape down the sides. And it should look like this. I got these baking cups from Walmart for 98 cents because you know we bought on the budget over here. So the easiest way to fill up your cupcake tins is to actually use an ice cream scoop. I tried to use like a spoon and stuff over the years, but it just gets way too messy. Make sure to fill these up halfway. So you want to go ahead and bake these on 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and make our cream cheese frosting. We're just going to add in some cream cheese and some butter and mix that together. Then we're going to go ahead and add in some salt and vanilla and just add 1 cup of confectioner's sugar at a time and then mix it. Now you want to go ahead and repeat that process until you have no more confectioner's sugar left, and it should look something like this. Now we're gonna go ahead and pipe some frosting on this. Now I'm not even gonna hold y'all, like it was like midnight, so I was not about to sit here and frost all these cupcakes, so I only frosted 4 of them, but you'll get the gist of it. And then these sprinkles that I actually got them from Walmart as well. I think they were like $2 or something like that, but yeah, it came out really good. So this is the final outcome. I'm super happy with it. Looks really pretty, and I'm not like the best decorator, so these look type of eye. I'm not even gonna hold you. So now we're gonna cut into it and see how soft it is. It's giving moist. It's giving super soft. It's giving, you definitely want to make this recipe, so go ahead and make this recipe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.